Okay, let me make this very clear. Just because I just made Injee doesn't mean that ReactJS stopped sucking, right? It still sucks in a very, very big way, right? And there is a reason why I created Injee. Like I was working in a company and I was a backend developer. I was Ruby on Rails developer. So Ruby on Rails had excellent model view controller. The V stands for that is MVC. That's the V. Of course, it means view, right? So it was very well capable of generating its own HTML and blah blah, right? And handling user interactions and all those stuff. But in that company, I was made to learn React. Actually, React is very very old thinking, and I was just surprised. Like okay, like why a lot of companies are using it, and that too like companies that use Rails are using it because Rails is awesome, right? So like when I was told to learn React, look, I was just thinking, look, definitely people would have seen and they would know like how difficult it is to develop with JavaScript compared to what to say, like developing with Ruby and all those stuff. That to Rails that has made significant strides in web development. So I just thought, okay, like yeah, we'll still be going towards this thing like turbo and all those stuff, or that is hotwire. That is what Rails does for the front end, and it's awesome. So but this company was going towards React and thinking that that's the best way to go. Okay, anyway, like they have money, they can think whatever they want. And I just got caught in a crossfire. Like they wanted me to learn React, and I was just surprised. Like okay, like I couldn't convince myself, and I couldn't still convince myself why a company that claims to be having brainy people is going that way. Okay, so that's the thing. And I was just cursing fate, like for giving me this cruel thing, like having known a better technology to generate HTML faster, or what to say, dealing with HTML interactions faster. And I was just told to learn this React. Okay, so that's the thing. And what happened was like, yeah, like while I was learning React, I did need backend, and when I thought, okay, like for everything, I need to keep a backend. Every project. Um, okay, that's how I just learn. I just do some POCs and I just learn the technology and keeping like 5 to 10 backends for different projects looked very very nonsense to me. So I just thought, okay, like why can't I write a database that just offers all these APIs and blah 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 blah. It just works just like that for a front end developer. And I also thought like, okay, like just like I hate JavaScript, somebody should be hating backends. Okay, right? So and for those people, Injee should be working really well. And of course, like I think like about in 3 companies, like around about 50 developers are using Injee right now. I gave them the jars, and whenever I just update, I send them jars and all those stuff. It's only 20 MB. I can even send them by email, or I even send by WhatsApp. Okay, so that's the thing. And they just run the jar and they just have backends. Okay, so that's the purpose Injee served. Like you want to develop POC, a client is there, he wants a demo by day after tomorrow, and you just want to we want a POC, and you are a front end developer, you know a bit of design, and you know something like React and something like okay, a view or something else, like whatever it is, like Svelte or something like that. And you just want to put something like you just want to attach up something and just show it to the client, and that's what Injee made the difference for these people, and they are very very happy about it. But this does never mean like I say like using React or Svelte or whatever that front end is good. In fact, it sucks, right? According to me, it sucks, and JavaScript sucks. Okay, right? Like I'm just embarrassed as a programmer to say that we programming community have created such a language, right? So like it's like it just looks like we programmers are an embarrassment to this evolution or something like that. Usually you think like humans are becoming more and more intelligent, but JavaScript proved that okay, like we can become less intelligent and suddenly jump from intelligence of a humans to intelligence of a snail or something like that. And so that's it. So that's why, like, even Injee, like, I just took time to actually not time, like, since I'm developing with Clojure, it took almost no time. Like, I just made it work with HTMX. And please do use HTMX. And even if you're a very serious JavaScript developer who says JavaScript is this, that, okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, I respect your opinion. But please do use HTMX, give it a try, and it'll reduce a lot of JavaScript code and it'll make your app development experience fast. That's what it did to me. I hope it'll do it to you. But yeah, I'm not sure. But of course, you could think like, okay, Injee sucks too, and Node.js is the awesome backend. Yeah, like Node Bun or whatever, like it's awesome backend. Yeah, that's your opinion. I just respect it. The ultimate goal is we need to develop apps as fast as possible and with good quality as possible, and we need to make money, right? And maybe we need to make humanity or the world a better place. So that's why we are here for. And whichever ways you think is right for you, yeah, do it. But yeah, this is my opinion, right? So just because I develop Injie doesn't mean that like I change my opinion about React and all this stuff, right? I'm really sorry about it. And if you're a React fan, yeah, I'm just sorry, yeah, right. And yeah, like anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.